So now we have an application problem with functions. Example number 9. The number of unread emails in Brian's account is 100. This number grows by 15 unread emails a day. The function n of t equals 100 plus 15t represents the relation between the number of emails n and the time t measured in days. So what they're saying is this equation, this function n of t, you have the 100 emails that are unread that he already has, and then for every day that goes by, 15 more are going to be added. So if you take t, the number of days that go by, then you're going to multiply that times 15, and you're going to add that to the 100, and that'll give you the total of the number of emails that are unread. Okay, so that's the idea here. And we can have other functions in other situations that are similar to this. The question asks us, A, determine the independent and the dependent variable. Well, the independent variable, that's going to be t, the number of days. Now, why they didn't use d for days, I don't know, but I guess t for time. So it's dependent on how many days go by, the total number of emails that he's going to have. So if one day goes by, it's going to be 115, but if 10 days go by, he's going to have like 250. You really got to stay caught up with those emails. Okay, so t represents the number of days that are going by, and that is the independent variable. The dependent variable is n. That's the total number of unread emails. So number of emails. Okay, so that's what they wanted you to do, trying to get used to this idea of function and how an independent variable and a dependent variable work. Now it says in part B, find n of 7 and explain what that means. So when we want to find n of 7, what we're going to do is we're going to take that function they gave us, and a lot of times they'll give us the functions. In the real world, sometimes we have to create them, we have to figure out what they are. Anyway, we're going to find n of 7, so that's going to be 100 plus 15 times 7. Now, following the order of operations, that's going to be 100 plus 105. Do my multiplication real quick. Yeah, that looks right. And then that's going to give me 205. So what does all that mean? Well, it means after 7 days, Brian will have 205 unread emails. Poor Brian. Okay, that's the interpretation then.